A very good morning, respected sir and ma'am. My name is Sadhika Rajesh Sisodia from grade 7th B.
My name is Nishi Ragvanshi from grade 7th B.
And I am Aryahi Ragvanshi from grade 7th B.
Today we are going to represent the sports department and we have prepared a model on a very popular sport which is cricket. Cricket is mainly known as a gentleman game. As mentioned already, Sir William Gilbert Grace is known as the father of cricket. The legendary sport person was born on 18th August 1948 near Bristol in southwest England.
Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players in the ground of the center, which is of 22 yard means 66 by 10 feet pitch, consisting of 2 wickets on each end and comprising 2 wales balanced on 3 stumps.
The fielding positions are categorized as off-side and leg side of the field. There are 2 umpires and 2 batsmen while playing the match. The fielding positions are wicket keeper, first, second and third slip, gully, point, cover, deep cover, extra deep cover, mid on, mid off, mid long off, mid on, long on, mid wicket, deep mid wicket, square leg, deep square leg, short fine leg, deep fine leg, and short third man and third man. This is a scoreboard and these are fluid lights to play in the dark conditions and or at night. Thank you and have a nice day.
पास कर देना हर्षित को।
Grade 8 and my project name is treadmill. A treadmill is a stationary exercise machine that features a walking or running belt designed for indoor cardio exercise.
Many treadmills offer a range of speed and incline settings, making them accessible pieces of fitness. Equipment for individuals at any cardio fitness level.
Many modern treadmills can track a user's distance, pace and calories burned. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, honorable chief guest. I am Lavesh Kushwa from grade 4th. The name of my project is Pro Kabaddi School. And Apangba Tukaram started that the Lord Krishna played the game in this youth. The game was introduced in the Indian Olympics Games at Kolkata in 1938.
Measurement of Kabaddi length is 13 meter and 10 meter plate. Kabaddi is 7 pillars of each side for period of 40 minutes and with a 5-minute break. Few skills are in the thigh hold, toe touch, running hand, iron jump, back kick, side kick and rookie. Thanks, have a great day.
Good morning, chief guest and principal ma'am. Today I am going to explain the Open Free Library. So it was founded in 2009. Toad Ball of Hudson, Wisconsin built a one-room schoolhouse. It was a tribute to his mother. She was a teacher who loved to reading. Sir, after his death, he made a box and filled it with books and put it on his grave. Sir, in thought that his soul will read this book, sir, his friends and neighbors loved this idea and he made several more and gives them away. Sir, total free libraries are 1,50,000 in 120 countries. And in India it is 40,000, sir, and 4,000 libraries are registered in government, of your government account. Sir, a Little Free Library is a free book sharing box where anyone may take a book or share a book in order to. They function against the honor system. If you take a book to share, you do not need to share a book in order to take one. If you take a book out from a little library, try to bring it to from the same library or another in your area where you can. So thank you.
Teachers and parents, school library aspiration. A school library is a library within a school where the students, staff and parents obtain. Parents, public or private school have access to a varieties of resources. The types of books we can have access to in school libraries are fiction book, non-fiction book, reflection book, literature book, biography book, craft book, poetry book, general knowledge book, and a series workout book. The library facilities each students within access to essential resources and learning material. For a smooth learning process is thus a leap in the advancement of the literacy provided in classroom. Thank you.
And I'm studying in class 10th in Nilwar School, Guna. I'm representing a 3D printer. 3D printer creates a 3D image of the following object coded in this memory card, and with the help of this wire, it layer by layer creates a 3D image. It can create maximum 1 foot image, and it can take 2 to 3 hours accordingly to the size of the object, and its name is E3 Diffie Arctic. Thank you.
ये इसी से बनाया हुआ है, ये जो मोबाइल स्टैंड है ये इसी से क्रिएट किया हुआ है।
And it is creating Ganesh ji, this one.
नाउ भी गणेश जी क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, लेयर बाय लेयर ये वायर
मेल्ट होती है।
अभी चाहे तो हम इस पे पूरी मूर्ति की चेन कुछ भी बना सकते हैं।
And you have termed it printer. It's a printer.
Yes sir, it's a printer.
Is it available in the market, this sort of printer?
No sir, this is available by robotics department.
Yes.
This is not made by these students.
Sir, it is a line follower robot that follows the line predetermined by the user. It mainly follows the black line. By the help of its infrared sensors plugged under it, some main functionalities in real life uses are for factory uses and home safety uses.
Sir, it's an obstacle avoider robot. Like it's detecting it and changing its path. Yes sir, yes sir. Obstacle avoider robot detects the obstacle in its path and avoid them by changing its direction. It navigates in unknown environment, and application of these projects are used in car for reversing and road clearance, smart alarm system, smart waste dustbin, and unmanned aerial vehicles. Thank you sir.
The title of my project is Gesture Control Car. Robots are playing an important role in automation across all over the sectors like military, medical, manufacturing, etc. The gesture control robot is a robot that can be controlled by our hand gesture or any sign. It is the combination of Steambot and Google Teachable platform is done to detect any gesture. Like you can see here, I will make you show.
Create signboards. According to signboards, this camera पे show होगा backward.
Now in right direction, so this will start moving in right direction. Now when you show the left, it will start moving in left direction. Now when you show the forward,
One by one, beta, one by one.
It is a light follower robot that senses light and follows it. The user can shine a flashlight in front of it and it will follow according to it. Like this.
and all the members also to this program. Sir, I will be, we are with the 7 members in the team, and we are representing robotics construction site. So we have used all these types of material. In this Blix kit is there, and there is a heavy metal plate kit which is called Mechaton kit, sir, this one. And some of the descriptions my students, they have worked so hard, so they will be explaining. Okay, you begin with Shyam.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shyam Raghu. Good morning everyone, my name is Shyam Raghuvanshi. Today I am going to discuss about your project. We are present a real construction site. A construction have on used to Mechaton kit and Blix model kit for making crane, lift and other construction helping material.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Yadav. I study in class 4th A. I am going to tell about a special lift which is also called scissor lift for lifting heavy material at top floor of building under construction. It is a commonly used mechanism in cars that have electric seat. It pushes your seat forward and backward. Now I request my friend Yana to discuss more about rack and pinion lift.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yana Mishra. I study in class 4th A. I would like to add with the interesting feature of rack and pinion lift. This lift used to stand heavy material to great height and is help in construct of tall building. Thank you.
Sir, all the material which we have used is a working material in our project. So suppose that we have made a construction site, so tractor is used, it moves forward and backward, and it is a working model. It can lift heavy material and bring for the construction. So beta, it is used. It's a running model. It's a tractor students have made. And then we have lifts which with a different types of the heavy load which they can take. So this one is a lift which can take a heavy load. I will run this. It is used to take the material to the height. Then we have a small mechanical cart also which we can pull.
Prepared here only.
Yeah, everything. Yes, 15 days. And then we have one more lift which is called a pinion lift. It is made up of a pin. It is used for a very light type of a material which can be taken up. Yes, it also works. And then sir, we have one more machine which is run through an electronic in this a plate and a motor, and this takes the material, a heavy material from particular one building to another building. So it will be moving. It gives a little jerk when the load is not there. When the load is there, it takes it little bit slowly to the different particular buildings. And we have one more kit made through this Blix kit. In this, sir, we will be taking this material from one place to the another. It is not holding the place, it is not only kept at one place. From one place it will take the material also, it will go also. So it is also like this, it can go and person can tie, and then afterward it will be rolling back, and this car will be going also, like if it wants. I can run down. In this, sir, we have used most of the material like which is craft work also. So we have a craft team also, 3-4. Yes, they all are my team members. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rishit Jain. I have made a prototype model of river surface cleaning boat. This machine can clean the garbage and the surface water and protect marine life also. Nami Gange is the biggest project, river cleaning project currently running in India. This machine can clean impurities like waste debris that float on the water surface, and this can used to clean ponds, rivers. I can show you how it works. So you can also use, like I press this. This can go forward, backward, right, and left. This can clean the water surface that leaves that float on the
What is it made
water.
up of? This strap.
This is
moving this strap.
this is conveyor belt.
It is made up of what? How does it take the garbage?
This is made up of like jali. We can say you can try.
I can try. That's okay.
Yes, this long press. And you can off and on the conveyor belt because the water will not come there. It drain there.
Because of that net,
Net-
the water is
net
drained and
drained.
garbage is
O-
taken.
only garbage is
collected is there.
collected on the dustbin. And it,
So is it really being used in Namami
yes,
Gange and
ma'am.
all
Yes, sir.
other
This is
rivers also
prototype.
in our country?
Yes, sir.
Did you have made it or it is purchased?
No, sir. I have made this.
In which class you are?
7th, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.